Ever wondered how ethical hackers use their skills to safeguard our digital world? How do they differ from those who use hacking for malicious intent? Let's delve into this fascinating realm of cybersecurity today. Picture this. It's July in the year 2015. A well-established automobile manufacturing company, Fiat Chrysler, is about to face a shocking revelation. Two cybersecurity researchers, Charlie Miller and Chris Valasek, remotely hack into a Jeep Cherokee, manipulating everything from its air conditioning and music to its brakes. This isn't a story of cybercrime, but rather an eye-opening demonstration of ethical hacking. Miller and Valasek, with the permission of the car's owner, exposed a critical vulnerability in the vehicle's software, prompting Fiat Chrysler to recall 1.4 million vehicles for updates. Ethical hacking, also known as penetration testing or white hat hacking, involves deliberately probing systems for vulnerabilities. These skilled professionals use their abilities to find and fix potential vulnerabilities before malicious hackers, known as black hat hackers, can exploit them. The primary difference between ethical hackers and black hat hackers lies in their intentions and permissions. Ethical hackers always seek permission before probing systems and always have the goal of improving security. On the contrary, black hat hackers break into systems with malicious intent, often for personal gain or to cause damage. It's important to note that ethical hacking is not a free-for-all. It's governed by a set of rules known as the Ethical Hacking Code of Ethics, which includes obtaining necessary permissions, respecting privacy, and reporting all findings to the system owner. In the realm of cybersecurity, ethical hackers are the unsung heroes, working behind the scenes to ensure our digital world remains secure. They are the knights in shining armor, warding off potential threats and keeping the digital realm safe for users. To summarize, ethical hacking is a vital aspect of cybersecurity. It involves probing systems for vulnerabilities with the intention of securing them. Ethical hackers operate under a code of ethics, ensuring they work legally and responsibly. Real-life instances like the Fiat Chrysler case highlight the importance of ethical hacking in exposing and fixing potential security threats before they can be exploited by malicious hackers. So the next time you're securely browsing online or safely driving your internet-connected car, remember that there's an ethical hacker out there who's worked hard to ensure your digital safety. And to the ethical hackers listening, keep up the good work. The digital world is safer because of you.